May 11th, 9 o'clock. The solar light was on from 6 to 6. So with the added capacity, it actually lasts that long. So now I'm just going to complete the solar light assembly. Just take the battery pack and then hang it somewhere. I'll do another sanity check and check each individual battery pack uh, because once they're glued, then it'll be harder to take them apart. So again, sanity check before completing the assembly of the solar light. So the cells are good. I'm going to use this kind of uh, seal to stick the glass and the battery to the plastic housing. I applied the glue here. I really don't want to put too much because I'll service this again probably 3 years from now. So again, future-proof things here because one will service this in the future. I've cleaned the groove. That's where the glue will be placed, or silicone or RTV. And also I cleaned this side with distilled water. Don't use tap water, otherwise it will leave a calcium deposit. So better safe than sorry. So I am going to apply the glue and then insert the glass after. So I've added the RTV to the groove. I think it's plenty enough. It would spread the moment I place the glass into it. I'll see how it goes. Make sure that there is some sort of excess coming out of this side. This would provide the seal. And when installing this, make sure to have a gap there because this is where one will need to pry the glass again 4 years from now, 3-4 years from now. So you don't want it to be too tight that you can't pry this glass out. So because I want a really nice seal, I'm going to place weight on this so that it doesn't rise up. Well, suck. I forgot to put this back. Really suck. Okay, the reflector is in, and I don't know whether I should add more glue or there's enough glue in here. Oh, really suck. I guess just for sanity check, I'll add more glue. Okay, I've added weight to press down on the glass so that the glue will be adhering to both sides. So that's what I mean by sanity check. I didn't have a third eye, so you gotta rework things. If you gotta rework things, don't get frustrated. One shouldn't get frustrated because that's how life is. So lessons learned, but then I'll forget my lessons learned in this case. Hopefully not. So that's how you one refurbish a solar lights when the battery is no longer working or charging. Find the appropriate size LiFo from Lazada. Learn how to take this apart from YouTube because what I did here, I learned it from YouTube. But the electronic parts, I already know to handle that. It's just what I needed to learn was how to remove the glass from the housing, and it's good that I did that because I would have just messed around and break the glass. So have fun. It'll be fun a minute,